Hey y'all, look at this. I need to cut this back, but there's Greg's Mistflower in here and some daylilies here and here. Oh my goodness, look at that. I totally forgot I planted that. It's beautiful. Blueberries right here. And gladiolas coming up over here. They got more gladiolas on this side of the fence. We got stock blooming right here. And these back here are drumstick alliums. I got a dianthus here. It's not blooming at the moment. But this one over here is blooming, this purple one. And my plumbagos are getting new growth already. They're waking up. See all that? And these over here also. I got more stuff blooming inside here. Well, not blooming, but waking up from the winter. Right here, Mealy Blue Sage. I already cut it back because it's getting new growth. This one also, and this one. There's another one. This one's really big. Look at that. I need to cut this back. This is an Esperanza. It's getting new growth, so I need to cut it back. I planted some Cape daisies in here that I grew from seed. I hope that's what they are because two of them look different than the others. Like their leaves look kind of serrated and the other ones look more smooth. So I don't know if there was some mixed seed. I mean, it was a packet of seeds. I don't know. It's crazy. This is Gara right here. And rosemary. have a little bitty tiny aster right here. I had it over at the patio garden, but the rabbit kept eating it, so I moved it over here. It's real tiny, but it's still alive. Look at that. Tiny little vincas are coming up from those white vincas I had in here last year. And this is a rue right here. I planted some echinacea seeds in here. I see some little seeds right here. I don't know if that's them or not. Right in here. That looks different than those. But this is what I planted there. I have a coral honeysuckle over here. It's climbing up this fence. It's like an evergreen here. On the other side of the fence right there is canna lilies, and look, I can see one right there. It's starting to come up. Oh, there's more over here that are coming back. Right here. I need to get in there and rake out all the old stuff that's died back from the winter. This looks like a 4 o'clock. That's good. At least one came up. I planted a bunch of seeds here, but I only see one. But my potatoes are coming up. I got ants in here. I gotta get, I don't like using poison. Potatoes growing. And I got this. I'm not sure what that is. And then I got some spinach over there. Lettuce right here. And here. And in that corner. And this here is garlic. Look at these Gara. They're so pretty. I love that color of red in their leaves, that burgundy dark red. So I got five out of 7. 2 of them didn't make it. That's not too bad. And this rock rose is already getting new growth. The Esperanza over here, it was getting new growth, but then we got another freeze. It killed some of it back, but some of it's still there. Some of it's still green. Rosemary, it's evergreen here. Oh, and here's those. Oh, I stepped on one. I forgot these were here. These mealy blue sage. There's one here and there and over here. And I thought that I had put, yeah, here it is. This is a different one though. I think this is a Victoria salvia. Over coming up in there. Anyway, it's doing good. And then this one over here is also a Victoria salvia. And this Esperanza. It's getting new growth down there, so I need to come cut this back. It's kind of windy out here. I got some iris in these little pots. I had got them from Walmart. I think I showed them on a video. I have another one over on the other side of the house. Oh, look at this. this yarrow's coming up. Well, it's been here all winter, but it'll be blooming soon. It'll have white blooms. And this is Vertigo pennisetum. It's getting new growth. And over here we got Mystic Spires here. And it's got a lot of new growth too. I got 3 of them right here. There's one here. And then one here. My sago palm, it looks like it grows it. I don't know if it's gonna come back or not. It still looks green in the vein of the, like the center there. See down in there, it looks green. All of the, so I'm thinking it will be okay. I hope it is. And it froze this back, my asparagus fern. I need to come in here, and it's already getting some new growth. See that? I need to come in here and cut that back. And it had froze back these amaryllis, but they're coming back too. Right here. And then there's some more yarrow right there. There's some more in here. Some more amaryllis over here. I like to let all of these little native things grow. They got pretty little purple flowers, but the butterflies love them. So I like to just let it grow, and some of the clover too for the bees. But I do need to get in here and pull some of it away from this. And then here's some, I think these were paper whites, but the tips got froze back in that last freeze. So I don't know if they'll bloom or not. I need to get out here and mow. I got a bunch of little, I guess, I'm not sure, are these dandelions? There's a bunch of those growing out here. And these are drumstick alliums. And then there's a daffodil coming up right here. And this is some thyme, English thyme. Over here I have some bee balm. And lots of weeds I need to get in here and pull. Let's see if this lantana's coming back. It looks like it. Yeah, it's getting new growth. I need to cut that back too. And I'm just kind of walking around seeing what's coming back, what needs cut back. These are more of this Mealy Blue Sage. There's 3 of them here. And lots of weeds. And this poor little tree, look at that. It keeps getting these brown spots on it. And I don't know what's causing that. Because my other 2, they're not doing that. See, this one's fine. And this one also. that one. I need to cut this back. This is another mealy blue sage. And then I got some more, another daffodil coming up right there. And I think this is some more of those drumstick alliums. I don't know why I can't remember that. And here's a Nandina. I love that pretty color on there. And this is evergreen here. Desperado takes the sage. It's so windy. This time of the year it's real windy here. Another rosemary right here. This one got a little bit of damage on it. I don't know. My other ones didn't. This is doing good though. This is a pomegranate tree. It's really pretty. I like the color of that new growth on there. These are dianthus. My battery's dying.